Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable or turn off STEM feed on TikTok. STEM is all about videos that are related to science, engineering, and maths, all this kind of stuff. If you don't want those feed, I'll show you how to turn it off in this video. Now go to your profile, click on the three lines at the top right corner, click on settings and privacy. You have to go to content preference. Here you see where it says STEM feed. Click on it. It says get a feed that features video related to science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. So turn this off if you don't want it. And when you go back, to your TikTok timeline, you can see that STEM feed has been disabled. So that's how you remove STEM feed from TikTok. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.